Hello and welcome to promoney.co.in. I am Pradisita Sharma and today I am going to share with you the important news, facts and information that can be important for you in the upcoming market. So the market is being in a higher mode, or you can say in a upper side, for quite a time now. So there could be many important factors that can be important or influencing the market in the upcoming week. So let's talk about them without any further ado. So let's talk about the market view of this week, which I have mentioned in the slide. So without any further ado, let's start with the Nifty analysis. So the Nifty ended on a positive note and has reached the all-time high. We have mentioned in previous week that it is going to the high, and it has crossed the previous high and has reached the high of 15733.60. So let's talk about the sentiment of the market now. The sentiment of the market seems to be very positive, and it may continue for few more time for a short term. And also, if the Nifty spot Nifty stands above 15702 level, we can say it will definitely go more above. India VIX value is currently at 1594, which is also a favorable strong point for a positive trend. Now the FIIs are working as the buyers, so the market will hold on this position. Now the Nifty is technically at overbought position. So we have mentioned this previous week also. So when the Nifty is at overbought position, we can expect a higher profit booking levels. So the spot Nifty closed at 15670.25 level last week, and we can expect to have a weekly normal range of Nifty at 15343 to 16037 levels. And definitely the two technical trends that we mention every week is 15702 for uptrend and 15639 for a downtrend. You can follow these technical levels for a market support, and it will definitely be somewhere around this, it is expected. So next, talk about the recommendations for this week. This week recommendations are Tata Motors, Varun Beverages, Adani Power, Finolex Cables, Tejas Innet, Eric Life Science, BHEL, Coal India, Bajaj Finance, LT, Adani Port, BEML, Aster DM Healthcare, etc. So we have mentioned a few stocks previous week as well, so they are performing good this week as well. So you can find a similar kind of recommendation previous week. So you can visit our website and see how these recommendations are performed. So I hope that we provided you the information that are important and that can be influencing the market in the upcoming week. So we really hope that the stocks that we have recommended, they have been performing well since the last weeks. So if you want more information about the stocks that we have recommended in this video, you should definitely do one thing and go and check out our website www.promoney.co.in, and you will get a lot of benefits by doing so. So let's see the benefits that you are going to get. So if you register for free, you are going to get free intraday calls every day at www.promoney.co.in. Also, if you register to our website, you will definitely find more information on weekly market analysis, free intraday calls, weekly or daily e-newspaper, and also educational vlogs regarding the stock market. So don't wait and hurry up now and sign into our website for free at www.promoney.co.in. So I'm signing off for today. If you like this video, make sure you put the thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more information. And also don't forget to give your feedbacks, comments and inquiries in the comment section down below. We will try to address everything. So for today, I'm signing off. Let's meet in the next video.